Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable or disable compact view or how to decrease or increase the space in the options of your Windows. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, search for File Explorer. The moment you've typed it, the best match will appear. Double tap to open. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your File Explorer, as you can see here at the upper center of your screen, it has these three dots. Click on it to see more. And here in this options, you need to go with options. Okay, again. So the moment you've clicked on options, this folder options will appear. It has this three categories, general, view, search. Now you need to go with the second one, which is view. And under that, it has this advanced settings. Now you can see here, decrease space between items or the compact view itself. You need to check this, mark check, and then click on apply and OK. So in that manner, you have just successfully enabled the compact view in your window. So as you can see here, the space is now decreased. Okay. Now, if you want to disable that in your Windows or computer, just go back here and navigate the same process, which is to go with the three dots once again. And here, go with options. And in the folder options, go with view, and then here, you just have to uncheck this decrease space between items or the compact view and apply and okay. So in that manner, you have just successfully disabled the compact view in your Windows. Okay. So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.